going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday we showcase a particular part model, and today it goes by the name of the Austin. What makes the Austin so great and one of our most popular floor plans, our most asked about floor plans, and what everybody raves about, it starts with the exterior. Guys, if you look at this exterior, we got the nice hardy board with the cedar trim. The cedar accents makes this house stand out from the rest. If you look around, we've got the cedar railing going around the home. So when you pull up to this home, that's the first thing that you see is that popping out at you and inviting you into this tiny home. And guys, the fun doesn't stop here. Follow me inside. What makes the interior of the Austin so great, it all starts with these unique wood accents going from front to back of this home. You have recessed lighting going throughout, and then also if you look, you've got clear storage running around the top of the home as well, bringing in all that natural light into this home, making it feel larger than life in here. And guys, if you take a look right here in the living area, it starts all off with this entertainment center with the nice fireplace down below. You have the space up above for a flat screen TV. You have vertical windows on each side bringing in that natural light, and also directly across you have the larger windows bringing in that natural light as well, and it flows perfectly because you have this one right here and a matching one right here in the kitchen. And guys, if you look right here, the island ties it all in together. It is on wheels, so you can roll this out of the way at your leisure, roll it to the front porch, roll it to the back porch, whenever you're grilling, whatever you want to do. And guys, take a look at this white farm sink right here. This farm sink is deep, gives you ample working space to do the dishes. You got that, again, that nice window right up above, make it easy when you're doing so. You got plenty of working space right here with your countertops, plenty of drawer space, and this is a Tiny Home Tuesday first. You have a cooktop stove. Look at all this cabinet space, this drawer space that you gained down below by adding the cooktop. You got all your eyes right here, and then if you do need to bake something, you got the nice convection oven right above for you to do so. All in stainless steel finishes, so it ties together perfectly and matches this side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door. Follow me right here through the hallway, and we'll see that we've got a nice window on this side, extra cabinets going throughout. We have a nice exterior door, so this would add a third door to the home, and it gives you another feature to come right in through the home. If you out in the yard working, you come right to the home, right to the bathroom, and don't have to worry about tracking any dirt through your house. And you follow me right here into the bathroom, and you'll see one of the great features of this floor plan is you actually have a space right here for your washer and dryer. Keeps it out of sight, out of mind. You don't have to worry about it taking up any space in any other parts of the home. You guys follow me right in here. You see we got the nice step-in shower with the forest Amazon tiling. Look at this, guys. This is a great feature. You got the nice rainforest raindrop shower head right here, right above, and it is all wooded in above. It is all finished out, and that gives you not only a great look on the inside, but it adds on the top as well because you have more storage space up above. So out of sight, out of mind. More storage space for you. Look, still got the windows going and it leads perfectly into your master. Look in here, we got a queen size bed in here, and there's enough space for that and more walkability going throughout the home. We've got nice bifold closet doors right here for you. Opening and closing at your pleasure. You follow me right this way, and this is where it gets even better. It opens into a screened-in back porch, guys. Look at this. You come into the back, imagine you sipping your coffee, sitting back in a rocking chair, relaxing every morning before you get your day started. This is the peace and serenity that you need. Got a nice ceiling fan right here. Got a nice clear story window as well. All screened in, all around, and even underneath, so you don't have to worry about any of those bugs, mosquitoes coming in on you. And guys, follow me back through the house, and we'll see again what makes this 399 square foot home feel larger than life with these tall ceilings going throughout, the nice stained accents, plenty of cabinet space. It opens perfectly back into your living area. Guys, I just want to thank you so much again for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday and staying with me. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, let all your friends know about what's going on here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Remember to come in and ask for Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and ask for that deal that you can't refuse. Remember, 2 words, guys: stay tiny.